Hey dream builders, what if your next house was printed like a giant Lego set? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real, and it's happening faster than you think. In this video, we're diving into the viral trend shaking up both construction and architecture, Gap One's 3D printed buildings. Is it the future of housing, a gimmick, or a radical solution to the global housing crisis? Let's find out. 3D printed construction uses large-scale printers to create structures by layering material, usually a type of concrete or earth-based mix following a digital blueprint. This isn't just a tech experiment, it's being used to build real, functional buildings around the world. And it's changing everything we thought we knew about how we build. So why is everyone suddenly talking about it? 3 reasons: speed, cost, and sustainability. Speed. Homes can be printed in 24 to 48 hours, cutting months off traditional schedules. Cost. Some models cost as little as $10,000 to build. Sustainability. Less waste, less labor, and fewer resources are used in the process. It's not just going viral on TikTok and YouTube. Governments, nonprofits, and architects are paying attention. Let's talk real examples. Icon in Texas is building a neighborhood of more than 100 3D printed homes. TECLA in Italy, by WASP, uses clay and natural materials for zero-emissions homes. Dubai Municipality printed a 2-story building, the largest of its kind. Mighty Buildings in California is producing prefab printed homes with solar roofs. These aren't just one-off experiments. They're proof that this technology is scalable and real. Architecturally, 3-dimensional printing is unlocking new forms. Curves, domes, and organic shapes are easier and cheaper to produce than ever before. It removes the constraints of standard materials like wood framing or steel. As a result, architects are reimagining what a house, office, or shelter can even look like. Of course, every revolution brings concerns. Will 3-dimensional printing eliminate construction jobs? Are these buildings truly safe? Is the technology just a flashy trend? Common concerns include job displacement, less need for manual labor, building codes. Most cities don't yet have clear guidelines. Durability, long-term performance is still being studied. These are valid questions, and the truth is, we're still in the early stages, but the industry is adapting fast. So, what does this mean for architects and builders? It means we're entering an era where digital design becomes physical reality, faster, cheaper, and more creatively than ever before. Architects will still be at the center, guiding aesthetics, context, and purpose. But the tools we use to shape the built environment, they're evolving rapidly. Whether you see it as the future of housing or just the latest buzz, 3-dimensional printed architecture is forcing us to rethink how we build, who we build for, and what's possible. Would you live in a 3-dimensional printed home? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more on the future of design and architecture, hit that subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. And don't forget to ring the bell. See you in the next video.